Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Prasad. I request all of you to like, comment and subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion, you can put it in the comment box. Please don't forget to give your comment in the comment box. Okay. Today I'm going to teach you direct and indirect speech. Okay, some of you might have already learned what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Okay, indirect speech is also known as reported speech. Okay, I will come to that point afterwards. Indirect speech is also known as reported speech. So please do learn this. It may take 3 or 4 videos. Today I am sending you one. Tomorrow and day after, within 3 or 4 days, you can learn thoroughly, provided you practice also. When you practice only, you get to doubt. Better practice. Okay? All the best. Learn this thoroughly, especially 9th and 10th class students. Okay? Yes. Come, let us learn. Here we are. There are 2 ways by which one may report or narrate what a speaker said. Okay, what a speaker said. Let us see. Your father has told you something to convey the message to your mother. Okay, when your father says directly to you, that is a direct speech. When you go and report that same statement or same thing to your mother or to someone, that becomes indirect speech or reported speech. And here I have given one example. In direct speech, the speaker's exact words are given. Peter said, comma. So here said is a reporting verb. Don't forget. Peter said, comma, open the inverted commas. I am going to win the game. Okay, this is the, direct speech. So remember certain things, the exact words of the speaker are put in inverted commas. Okay, so how do you distinguish between direct and indirect speech? Okay, in direct speech only, you can find inverted commas. In indirect speech, inverted commas are not there. Okay, all those punctuations are removed. Question mark, exclamatory marks, and everything is removed. Okay, there is a comma after the reporting verb. So they use comma after the reporting verb. As I told you, said is the reporting verb in this context, in this sentence. The quoted words begin with a capital letter. Okay, when you open the inverted commas, first letter should be a capital letter. Okay, don't forget. Next one, indirect speech or reported speech. As I told you, indirect speech is also known as reported speech. In your question paper, change the following sentences into reported speech, like that they will give you. Okay, don't say that nobody taught us, okay, in the school like that. Reported speech is also known as indirect speech. Okay, only the substance of what the speaker said is reported, not the exact words. Peter said that he was going to win the game. Okay. Now, the indirect speech is in the form of statements and has no special punctuation. In indirect speech, no comma, no inverted commas, no question mark, no exclamatory marks, and so on. Okay, no special punctuation. Rules for changing direct into indirect speech. For example, he said, I love books. In this sentence, said is the reporting verb. Don't forget, I love books is the indirect, direct speech. Now, there are many rules to learn thoroughly. Okay, this one. To learn thoroughly, there are many rules. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the reported verb or indirect speech must also in the past tense. So, Present tense changed into past tense. Present continuous changes into past continuous tense. Like that, you go on in that manner. Okay. So simple present tense becomes a simple past. For example, he said, I love books. He said that he loved books. Verb should be in V2 form. If verb is in V1 form, it becomes V2 form. Tina said, I eat a chocolate. Tina said that she ate a chocolate. Okay, in past tense. Present continuous becomes past continuous tense. He said, I am reading a book. He said that he was reading a book. Okay. And Tina said, I am eating a chocolate. Okay, that is in direct speech. In indirect speech, Tina said that she was eating a chocolate. Are you able to follow? And of course, you should be very thorough with tenses. Okay, I have sent so many videos. Okay, please do follow. I mean, go through those videos relating to tenses. Learn tenses first. Then only this direct indirect speech will be very easy. Okay. Here, present perfect becomes past perfect. For example, he said, I have read a book. He said that he had read the book. So here, have becomes had. Has becomes had. Okay, because present perfect becomes past perfect. Next one, present perfect continuous tense becomes past perfect continuous tense. You understand? He said, I have been reading a book. Okay, have been becomes had been and remove the inverted commas and so on. Okay, Tina said, I have been eating a chocolate. Tina said that she had been eating a chocolate. For all the subjects or any subject, had been can be used. Okay, don't forget. Simple past becomes past perfect. Okay, he said, he read the book. He said that he had read the book. Okay. Uh, Tina said, I ate a chocolate. So ate is in past tense. So that becomes past perfect. Tina said that she had eaten a chocolate. Verb should be in V3 form. Don't forget. And past continuous becomes past perfect continuous tense. He said, I was reading a book. He said that he had been reading a book. Okay. And Taylor said, or Tina said, I was eating a chocolate. Tina said that she had been eating a chocolate. Like that, it changes. So you have to go on, observe very carefully every word, how it changes, so that it will be very easy. Okay. He said, I will read a book. He said that he would read a book. So will becomes would. Shall becomes would. So will and shall becomes would only. WOULD. Tina said, I shall eat a chocolate. Tina said that she would eat a chocolate. Not she should. She would. Many make mistake. Instead of would, they write should. Okay, don't do that. Okay, shall always becomes would only in this context. Shall is used with the first person in indirect speech. Okay, is changed to would. Okay, but care should be taken when shall is used with the second and the third person. In such cases, shall in indirect speech is changed to should in reported speech. Excuse me. The teacher told the students, you shall attend the extra classes for 2 days. The teacher told the students that they should attend the extra classes for 2 days. Like that, you have to change. The commander ordered all shall submit their reports. Okay. Their commander ordered that all should submit their reports. Like that. So remember here, will becomes would, can becomes could, shall becomes is changed into should. Okay, if it is second and third person. Okay, and may becomes might. May is changed into might. Am becomes was. He, she, for he, she, it. Okay, you have to use was for I, was, and then you were, we were, they were. If it is are in indirect speech, were. Like that, it changes. Okay. So